cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, trying to make a name. I just wanna
Please
be
tell me that I can't,
famous.
that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, till my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down. I'll be getting out, never doubt, not what I'm about. I'll be loud, it be raining now, I can make it sound, go another round, cause I'm looking down, can't stop me now.
You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, just come and try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you're going ape shit, you can fight me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Invested in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go that we spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss off, forget it, I'll take a bad loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, I'm sweating, I never back up. I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you can call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs an antiseptic.
Please say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase the basics? I don't give a fuck, I don't give a